Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you subscribed yet? If you haven't, make sure you do. So today I'm going to make Beehive pot, and I'm going to do it using recycled bottles from your Diet Coke or your full fat Coke, any sort of fizzy drink. So what I've basically done is I've got a normal Coke bottle. Now you can do these on a bigger scale with the 1.5 litre, 2.5 litre bottles, but I'm just doing a little pot today, so I've just used one of these small bottles. And all I've basically done is I've chopped the top off and then chopped the mid section out. Okay, so what I'm left with is the top and the bottom of my Coke bottle. And then what I did was, because you get like a jagged edge, I don't know if you can see there when you cut it, and the way I cut it, if you haven't got like a really sharp sort of little saw you can use, is I heated one of my sharp blades and use that because it actually, the heat helps melt the plastic a little bit to get through a bit quicker. So, but just be careful, make sure you have got a wooden handle or you've got a plastic handle so you don't burn yourself, and don't let the kids do that, guys, no. So yeah, so then what I did was, because you've got the sharp edges, as I said, I just heated my frying pan with nothing in it, and then just very quickly placed my pot on it. So a few seconds and take it off, and it smooths it out perfectly, guys. So you end up then with a really nice smooth edge and you're not going to cut yourself, okay? So I also need some rope. So this is nautical rope, which I got from Amazon. Okay, and then I've got some little bee embellishments which I'll show you later. So let's get started on this. I've got my heat gun warming up to the side of me because I need that, and then I also need to find the end to my rope, which is just here. Right, okay, let me just get it for you. Okay, right, okay. So first things first is I'll start at the very top. So I'm going to put you down here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is my top, got my heat gun, yep, it's ready. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little loop and glue it on the inside of my bottle, okay. Now just bear in mind, this is hot glue on plastic, okay, so just bear that in mind, okay. There we go. And then I'm just going to cut this a little bit here. You can do this after you finish, but I just think it's easier if you can do it at this level. And then I'm just going to glue the other side of this. Okay. There we go. And then all I'm going to do is take my rope and glue it all the way around. So that is top of my beehive. Can you see? I hope you'll be able to see that actually. Okay. Let me move it like that a bit. Right, okay, so that's my top of my beehive. Can you see? And now I need to just do the base. I'm doing exactly the same with the base. So I need some more glue sticks. Let's get some of my rope ready. Okay, so I'm just going to glue the top around the edge. So just bear in mind this is hot glue on plastic, so, oops, where's my end gone? Oops. And then just wrap it around. So glue Okay, and then just need to glue it all the way across the bottom now. Some more glue. Oops. Okay, and cut it off. Glue. Okay, right. Oops. Just check it. There we go. So I've then got, that should fit on okay, a little beehive pot. Okay, but it's obviously missing the little hole for the hive, so we need to keep this on, okay, to measure where we're going to put this. But what we need to do is get a circle, which is better said than done on this because it's so hard. Okay, like that, and then chop that in half again. Okay, and then I'd lay it down if I was you on this. Okay, because what you want to do is to make a circle out of the two pieces, but you want the ends to be the same, if that makes sense. So what I'm going to do is glue like so. So, okay, so when that's all stuck on, you just need to colour in the rope within the rope circle, if that makes sense, with a black acrylic pen. Right, so I've painted that on now. I've actually got two pots on the go. So make sure I got the right ones. There we go. And what I thought I might do is, can you see? I've just started to put some embellishments on this. So I've got here a little daisy and some little bee embellishments, which I'm just going to add a few more on. And I got these from Amazon. You can get a pack of 120, it's absolutely shed loads of these. So, and they're self-adhesive, although in some places what I have been doing is actually gluing them, just to make sure they stay in place better. But I'm just going to put them randomly around my pot to make it look like I've got a swarm of bees in my pot. So there we go, what do you think? So it's just a nice little pot in the shape of a beehive. So I've got one there, and I've got another one which I made two. So I'm just going to do the same with that one. Right, so there are my two little beehive pots. Oops. Okay, which I think were quite cute. Now if you don't want to make pots, so these are recycled out of Diet Coke bottles, what you can do is actually make a beehive without using anything. Let me show you how to do this. It's really easy. You need your rope, okay? And this time what you're going to do is you're going to start off on the bottom. So make your first circle. What you need to do is just glue a little bit there and then pop your first layer on, okay, like so. And then what you're going to do is build up this gradually. Oops. So just make sure it's glued down properly. Now just watch you don't burn your fingers with this, because the hot glue can burn the fingers for you. Right, there you go. Okay, when you've got a nice sort of level of foundation, so I've gone up 4 rows there, what you need to do is start coming in slightly, okay? Now say it all depends on how big you want your beehive, but let's just usually start gluing on the inside as opposed to the middle of your rope, if that makes sense, so you can start to see you're just starting to come in a little bit, okay? When you get to near the top, okay, what you need to do is just cut it all back a couple of inches above, like so. And then all you need to do is, you can do this, is then stick the end bit here to make a loop. Like so, like that, and just make sure the other half is glued in well. There you go. Okay, so you have yourself a little bit of a beehive going on there. Okay. Oops. Okay, and then you obviously need your little circle. So again, cut yourself a piece of rope. And then join it as a circle, just work out where you need it. Glue exactly where the join's going to be first, just so you make sure you get your circle in place, like so. Okay. Just watch it don't burn yourself. And then just pop a bit of glue on the inside of your rope, like so. And stick it down. Okay. Now you can either leave it open like that, so you can have it as an egg cup warmer, or just as an ornament. Okay. Or if you wanted to, you could make yourself a base either with cardboard or with rope. Okay. What you do need to do though is make sure that your beehive has an opening. Or in this case, a fake opening. I'm just going to glue that to make sure it's all in place. You do have to watch with glue guns because it's so hot. Okay. Just make sure my ends don't tear. Right, I'm just going to get this glue off my fingers. Okay. And then with my pen again, I'm just going to colour in my hole. Like so. Can you see? And then again, got loads of embellishments with little bees on it. So I'm just going to cover this with little bees everywhere. Okay, so what do you think? So let me just move all my stuff out of the way. Yeah. Oh, okay, so we have got 2 lovely little beehive pots, like so, and then a little beehive ornament or egg cup or anything else you might want. So what do you think? I think they come out really, really cute. So guys, if you like my little beehives, and they're so simple to make, but I think they look very, very cute, especially with the little bee embellishments on there, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click notifications, and give me a thumbs up. Alright guys, I will see you on my next video. You take care. Bye. Bye.